as a member of parliament under Article 95 of the Constitution. Okay? But above all, I was the leader of the minority, and therefore I was leading my troops in putting the government or the executive to check without any prejudice. Secondly, Honorable Speaker, there is no contradiction whatsoever in what I believed in then and what I believe in now. I simply believe that I've been called to perform a national duty. And as a patriotic Kenyan, I have responded positively to the call, Honorable Speaker. And therefore, I will be open to scrutiny.
So, Honorable Wandayi, that's exactly what we wanted to hear, because the Kenyan public wanted to hear and have that assurance.
Thank you very much.
So I think you've explained it well.
Thank you very much.
It was not to put you on the defense. It was just for the country to understand the shift.
Secondly,
the next question.
The issue of fuel prices is a very emotive matter, extremely emotive. But I will come to it perhaps later.